This is a piano tutorial on Yesterday, and we'll be doing the chord in the right hand this time, and the root note in the left hand is the bass note, and you sing on top of that. So you start out with your F chord here. I'll show you the chords in the right hand. Yesterday, that's an F chord, A, C, F. An E minor, which is B, E, G. All my troubles is an A7, A, C sharp, E, and G. All my troubles seem so far away. Far away is a D minor, A, D, and F there. B flat, F, B flat, and D. Now it looks, that's C7, G, B flat, C, and E on the top. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. There's your F again, A, C, and F. Oh, there's a C chord, G, C, and E. Oh, I, there's D minor, A, D, F. I believe is G7, G, B, D, F. Yesterday is B flat, F, B flat, and D, and F on the rest of it there. Yesterday. That repeats itself, and you've got the second section of the song. You do an E minor on Y, B, E, and G on the top. Why she, that's A7, A, C sharp, E, and G. Had, that's a D minor, A, D, and F. Had to go, go is a B flat, F, B flat, and D. I don't know, there's an E minor on, G minor on no, G, B flat, and D. She wouldn't is a C7 there, G, B flat, C, and E. She wouldn't say is another F chord there, A, C, and F. Then that repeats itself, E minor. I said A7, something is D minor, wrong is B flat. Now I love, that's G minor, C7 on Yesterday, that's that F chord again. Then you just repeat what you did at the beginning. It's an E minor. Yesterday on F there. E minor, love was such A7, an easy game. D minor to play, B flat. Now I need C7, a place to hide away is F. Oh, that's C, D minor. I believe G7 in yes, B flat to F. Okay, G7, B flat, F. And then that's your right hand. And then you have to add the root note of the chord down low. And it's very easy to remember. So when I'm playing an F chord here, F note down low. When I'm playing an E minor here, E. When it's A7, it's A. When it's D minor, it's D. So work on your hands alone, separately. And that's always a good idea, to work on the hands alone and then put it together. This is what it sounds like when you're all done. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she Love was such an easy